In today's video, we're going to take a look at JNJ. Now, this is a setup that we had done a while back, or actually a similar setup, where we had this gorgeous symmetry at this last low, and you finally met almost two targets. You just fell short of the second target up here. And then JNJ took a dive after earnings. But what I'm seeing here is that it's potentially setting up again. So what I'm doing is taking 100% of these prior declines within the uptrend and projecting them from the recent high, running the retracements and all that good stuff. And I do have a cluster of price relationships for potential support at 140.27 to actually, we took out the top level today, so it was 141.58 is now the high end of the support decision, okay? But what do you need now to tell you that it's worth placing a bet? Well, you need a trigger, and I don't have a trigger yet. So let me show you what we want to see via the 15-minute chart. And let me grab that one here. Okay. So typically what we're looking for, is either a 15-minute, which is the aggressive swing trade trigger chart, or the 30-minute chart. We want to see a moving average crossover to the upside, the 8 crossing back above the 34, but it hasn't done that yet on a 15-minute chart, and it certainly hasn't done it yet on a 30-minute chart. So what I think we need to do is wait and see if this can stabilize in the next few sessions, and after it stabilizes, if we then get the trigger on at least the 15-minute chart, then it's worth looking at on the buy side. And when would we be wrong? Well, if it breaks underneath the low end of the cluster, which would be underneath that 140.27 area. Now, if we do end up holding above this key support decision, the potential on the upside is going to be the 150.14 area, which is also essentially the 1272 extension of the swing down into this zone. So let's see if it actually triggers an entry for us or not. And if it does, then we have reason to place a bet.